Hello everyone. In this video we will cover HCF, which is highest common factor. The name itself tells we have to first find the factors, then find out the common factors. In that, which is the highest one, that is called HCF, which is highest common factor. Definition is simple. The highest common factor is the greatest number that divides two or more numbers exactly. What it means? Suppose assume 7 and 8. To find HCF of 7 and 8, what we have to do? Just to decode the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So we'll go in reverse order. Means first we'll find the factors, then we list the common factors, then we'll find out highest common factor. So first what we have to do? F means factors. Factors for 7, factors for 8. What are the factors for 7? 1 and 7 only. What about 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors. Now what we have to do? C. C means common factors, right? What are the common factors here? Only we have common factor as 1. Which is common? 1 only. There are no repeating, right? So common factors are only 1. So there is no need to find highest common factor because there is only 1, because therefore the answer is 1 only. Let me take another example. 12 and 18. For 12, let me first find out the factors for 12 and 18. In HCF, first we have to find factors, then common factors, then we have to find highest common factor. So for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors. For 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now common factors, right? What are common factors? 1 is there, 1 is there. So write it here. 1. 2 there, 2 there. So write it. 3 is also common, write it. Is there 4 common? No, don't write it. Is 6 there? Yes, write it. 12? No. 9? No. 18? No. So these are the common factors. So what is HCF? First we found factors, then we listed the common factors. Now we have to find highest one. Which is the highest number in this? 6. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. That's it. So to find HCF, we have two methods here I mentioned. First one is listing method. This is what we discussed. First find the all factors for each number. What we done here. First writing the factors, then find the common factors, then choose the greatest one. That's it. Already we solved for 12 and 18, as 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 as factors. For 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Common ones are 1, 2, 3, 6. So 6 is the highest one. So HCF is 6. That's it. And we can find HCF by prime factorization method also. As we learned prime factorization in previous videos. So if not seen, please go and watch the videos. Prime factorization method also used for finding the HCF. What are the steps? Find the prime factorization of each number, then write only common prime factors, multiply the common prime factors. That's it. Let's do an example. 26 and 36. While doing prime factorization for 24, we'll start with 2, right? 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Once we get 1 as here, we'll stop, right? So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So that's why I wrote here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What is highest? HCF means highest common factor, right? So for this, write the common factors here. 2 is there, 2 is there, write it. 2 is there, 2 is there, write it. 2 is there, here 3 is there, don't write it. 3 is there, 3 is there, okay, write it. Is another 3 is there? No. So only 2, 2, 3 are common. So 2, 2, 3, which gives answer as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12 for 24 and 36. That is the common method used for finding the HCF. We can use any one of the method. If you feel this one as easy, follow this, otherwise you can use this method also. And here are some practice questions. Find the HCF of 16 and 24 by listing method. Listing method means first we have to find factors for 24 and 16. 16 1 16 za 2 8 za, sorry 2 8 za, right, 2 8 za, then 3 6 no 3 4 4 za, that's it. 1 2 4 8 16 are the factors for 16. What about 24? 1 24 za, 2 12 za, 3 8 za, then what about 4 4 6 za, 5 no 6, and we wrote in reverse order. So these are the factors. What are common factors? Common factors are 1 2 4, right, 4 is also there, 4. What about 8? 8 is also there, 8 16 12, no. These are the common factors. In this, which one is the highest one? 8. So the answer is 8 only. HCF of 16 and 24 is 8 using listing method. And for 18 and 30 using prime factorization. For 18 and 30 we have to find it by prime factorization. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So it can be written as 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. What about 30? Let's solve. 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. This is 5. So 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. So write the common one. 2 2 3 3. So 2 into 3 is common. So answer is 6. For this one 8 is the answer, this one 6 is the answer, right? What about 24 and 60? Let's solve. 24 factors are 1 24 za, 2 12 za, 3 8 za, 4 6 za. These are the factors for 24. Then another number is 60. Let me write factors for 60 also. 1 60 za, 2 30 za, 3 20 za, 4 15 za, then 5 12 za, 6 10 za, 7 no, 8 no, 9 no, 10. Already done. What are the common factors? Common factors are 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, because here are 1 2 3 4 common. 6 is also common. Then what about 8? No. 12 is also there. What about 24? No. So therefore greatest one is 12. HCF is 12. This is 12. What about 36 and 48? We'll use prime factorization. 36 48. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, right? 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What about 48? We'll start from 2, right? 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Means 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. What is common? 2 2s are common, 1 3 is common. So answer is 2 into 2 into 3, which gives 12. So 12 is the answer. And we can do the same for 42 and 56. And here are some homework questions. Please do solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. Thank you.